Did you know it's extremely hard to sneeze with your eyes open? It's true. When you feel that tickle in your nose, your body has this automatic response to close your eyes. This isn't just a quirky habit, it's actually a protective mechanism. When you sneeze, you're expelling air and germs at a whopping speed of up to 100 miles per hour. Closing your eyes helps shield them from all those tiny particles flying around. Even if you try to focus and keep your eyes open, your body's instinct to blink kicks in. It's like a built-in defense system against potential irritants. So next time you feel a sneeze coming on, remember, your body knows what it's doing, keeping your eyes safe while you let it all out.